Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What are we doing today? Well, around here we don't throw away nothing. Now, this old headliner that came out of the 68 Mercury, well, what fun would it be to just throw all this stuff away? That's pretty good vinyl, it's just the stitching all rotted away and sun-baked and cooked out so it all came apart. But on the inside, it's still good vinyl. So let's put it to some good use. Here, I got the sail panels. This is what goes from the back seat right here up to the headliner. And it's not too bad, but it's got some cracks and stuff in it. But we can fix that with them leftover pieces of old headliner that we were going to throw away. I picked out the widest piece here. This is the front piece that goes, you can see here where the visors we're poking through in there, but this is the widest piece this way, and it just so happens to be just a little bit wider than these sail panels, as you can see. So let's put her to some use. First thing I got to do is spray this down. I've already cleaned it and wiped it all down and everything. All I got to do now is just spray that with some spray adhesive, spray the back side of that, wrap it over, trim off the edges, whammo bammo, we're back in business. Trim that edge off a little bit. That's better. Okay, now take the trusty scissors and just go around it. leaving just enough room to wrap around. Now I'll take out all the wrinkles. Whoop. Just like that. Now that I got the wrinkles out, let's take some of that extra off there. Let's go about like that for this side. Now, anywhere there's a hard corner, like here, here, and here, where it's got to wrap over and back in on itself, I'll cut a slit in all of these. Just like that. Makes it easier to wrap them. Take a pie out of that one. And this one here. Okay, now, again, the spray adhesive. Hit it real heavy in the parts that gonna need it a little more, like that. There we go. That'll keep any glue off of it. I mean, I can get it off, it's just clean it off of there, but it's just easier to do it this way. Yeah, we'll make a little cut right there. And we'll wrap that sucker over there. Pull and stick, pull and stick. Just like that. Got a hard angle one in here, so it'll be just like go a little more on that one. Up. That one she might stretch through it. That's the nice thing about vinyl, is it stretches. So when you do a roller like that, you can generally get it to stretch over into it like that. Now that is where the dome light goes in, so I give it a heavy indent like that, and I'll let it dry before I cut that. And just like that. We recycled the old headliner to make a nice sail panel there. That goes up in the back window like that, and just kind of finishes that all off with the little dome light there. So I'm going to hit the other one. It's just like this, and just keep using all of this old vinyl that I can. Little pieces like that, you know, the more you can reuse, the more money you save. And that's the secret to the whole game. We'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot.